In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your input vehicle speed sensor on your Ford Focus. It's located behind your driver's side wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. There's a lock on this connector, so we're going to push down on this red connector and unlock it. Then you're going to press the button in and pull it off. Set that aside, and then we're going to need an 8mm socket to take out this bolt. Once you've cracked that loose, you should be able to take it out by hand. And now we're going to twist this slightly and pull it out. There is an O-ring there that it might get stuck on, so there we go. You're going to want to transfer over this little spacer here to your new one. Make sure it's clean. And just slide it on. And now we're going to put some lubricant on this O-ring. Transmission fluid is fine. Put the new speed sensor in. You're going to insert it. And you're going to twist a little bit with that O-ring. Try to get it to seat. Once you get it in, you're going to line up that spacer with the bolt hole and get your bolt through. After you've tightened this bolt, we're going to torque it to 89 inch-pounds. There we go. Once that's torqued, you can replace your connector, push it on. You want to hear that click, and then you're going to lock it in with the red tab, pushing it in. Put your wheel back on. And start your lug nuts. Start with your bottom one, walk the wheel on. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.